So say you're driving home and your vehicle starts overheating and you feel your upper radiator hose and you realize it's not hot. That means your thermostat is probably going bad. So now if you're out in the middle of nowhere and you don't have a way to get a new thermostat, is there a way for you to be able to just limp home on a bad thermostat? So yes. So the thing you're going to want to do is first off, you're going to have to try to catch as much coolant as possible because the coolant will be coming out when you open up the thermostat housing. So if you have like a bucket or anything that you can put underneath to try to catch as much coolant to try to reuse it, because you definitely just don't want to run out of coolant. So first off, get a bucket of something, sit it underneath your thermostat housing here, and to open it up, there'll just usually be like 2 bolts connecting it, and then you can take the lower radiator hose off, and then that'll get you to your thermostat. So once all the coolant kind of drains out, there'll probably be, it's not going to be a crazy amount, but whatever's sitting in that hose above it will come out. So then you'll take your thermostat off. So this will be it. So it'll probably be stuck in the open or closed position, which if it's overheating, it'll be stuck in the closed position. So this won't be opening, allowing the coolant to flow through. So what you're going to want to do actually is these 2 brackets here, you're going to want to break those off. So however you can do it, rock, or if you have a hammer or anything, break those off. And this whole center piece should be able to come out. So what you're wanting to do is pretty much knock this whole center piece out. So the only way to do that is to get rid of these 2 brackets. So get rid of those 2 brackets, this whole piece will fall out, and then you should be able to reinstall it with just this part of the thermostat. So sit that back in there and close it back up. This is by all means not a foolproof plan, but it may be able to get you out of a bind here. So the thought is, if this is closed, you're not allowing coolant to flow through it. So what we're going to do is break this off, get rid of this whole part, and that's going to allow coolant to flow through there. So it's not going to be able to like open or close or anything. It's just going to be fully open, but that should be able to get you back to town or civilization or wherever you're trying to get to that will have a thermostat to replace that. So then, yeah, then the coolant will be flowing through there. It might actually take a while to heat up, but if you're already overheating, it should be okay. But that's going to be, this is probably like a worst case scenario to try to do this. But yeah, so if you ever in a pinch, try that out, bust those 2 pieces off, get rid of that, and put your thermostat back in there, and hopefully that'll get you out of the bind. And then, yeah, you're going to reuse your coolant that you got in your bucket. That's only if it goes below that min line. If it stays above there, don't put that coolant back in there. Just kind of discard of it properly because it is poisonous. But then otherwise, if you have like a shirt or a cloth or something, you can kind of strain it to make sure you're not putting debris back into your degas bottle, and then fill that back up just to the min line. And then when you do get to town, get a new thermostat, and I would suggest just flushing your coolant, taking it to somebody or doing it yourself and getting all brand new coolant in there, and you should be good to go.